Welcome back to AZE English Listening Practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today's topic is going to the gym, a great everyday topic for health, fitness, and simple English conversations.
That's right. Many English learners want to talk about exercise, workout routines, and asking for help at the gym.
In today's episode, we'll listen to two conversations, one between a gym member and a trainer, and another between two friends planning to work out together.
After each conversation, we'll explain useful vocabulary and give you simple speaking tips.
I still remember my first time at a gym. Honestly, I had no idea how to use most of the machines.
Same here. I was nervous at first, especially when I needed to ask for help.
But most gym trainers are friendly and happy to explain things.
And the good thing is, you only need a few simple English phrases to communicate clearly.
Phrases like, how do I use this machine? I want to work on my arms. Do you have group classes? How long should I exercise?
These are very common questions at the gym.
And the more you practice them, the more confident you'll feel.
All right, let's listen to conversation 1.
Hi, excuse me, can you help me with this machine?
Of course. This machine is called the leg press. Are you trying to work on your legs today?
Yeah, I am. I'm still pretty new to the gym, so I'm not really sure how to use most of the machines yet.
That's completely normal. Don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere.
Thanks. Honestly, I was a little nervous to ask for help.
You don't need to be nervous. That's what trainers are here for.
Good to know.
All right. First, sit down here and place your feet on the platform like this.
Okay, like this?
Yep, perfect. Now keep your back against the seat and push slowly with your legs.
Oh, okay. I think I understand now.
Great. And remember, slow movements are better than fast ones.
How much weight should I start with?
Since you're a beginner, start light, maybe around 20 kilos.
Sounds good. I don't want to hurt myself.
Exactly. Good form is more important than heavy weight.
How many times should I do this exercise?
Try 3 sets of 10 repetitions to start.
All right. And how often should I train legs?
Usually 1 or 2 times a week is good for beginners.
Okay, that sounds manageable.
And don't forget to stretch after your workout and drink plenty of water.
Got it. Thanks for all the help.
You're welcome. And if you need help with any other machine, just ask.
I definitely will. Thanks again.
This was a very realistic gym conversation. It sounded natural, friendly, and helpful, just like a real conversation you might hear at the gym.
Exactly. Maya asked simple beginner questions, and Leo explained everything clearly and politely.
And that's important for English learners. You don't need difficult vocabulary to communicate well at the gym.
Right. Simple phrases like, can you help me? I'm not sure how to use it.
Also, notice how Leo gave instructions step by step. That makes the conversation easier to understand.
And Maya wasn't afraid to ask questions. That's a great habit when learning English.
Let's start with the word machine.
A machine is a piece of gym equipment used for exercise.
Gyms usually have different machines for arms, legs, back, and cardio workouts.
Next term, leg press.
The leg press is a machine used to train and strengthen your leg muscles.
It's very common in most gyms.
Another useful word is set.
A set is a group of repetitions in an exercise.
For example, 3 sets of 10.
And finally, lightweight.
Lightweight means something that is easy to lift and not too heavy for beginners.
Starting with light weights is usually safer when you're new to exercise.
You can download today's vocabulary PDF in the description if you want extra practice.
It includes all the keywords, definitions, and example sentences from this episode.
Going to the gym alone can feel difficult at first.
So now let's listen to two friends planning to work out together.
Hey, Emma. Are you going to the gym today?
Yeah, probably around 6 p.m. after work. Do you want to come with me?
Sure. I've been trying to get back into a regular workout routine.
Same here. It's always easier to stay motivated when you go with someone.
Exactly. So, what are you planning to train today?
I'm thinking about doing arms and shoulders. I skipped upper body last week.
Nice. I think I'm going to focus more on cardio today.
Running or cycling?
Probably the treadmill for about 30 minutes. I want to improve my stamina.
That's a good idea.
I usually start with cardio before weights.
Really?
I normally do it after my workout.
Both ways work.
It just depends on your goal.
True.
Oh, and I definitely need to stretch today. My legs are still sore from the last workout.
Same. Let's stretch together before we start.
Good idea. Stretching always helps me feel better during workouts.
Exactly.
And after cardio, maybe we can do a short workout together.
Sure.
Maybe some light exercises for abs? Perfect. And we can finish with a cool down walk.
Sounds like a solid plan.
All right then. See you at the gym at 6 p.m. See you later.
This conversation showed how friends can plan a workout together using simple English.
Exactly. They used useful phrases like, "What are you training today?" "Do you want to come?" "Let's stretch first."
These are very common expressions at the gym.
First word? Cardio.
Cardio is exercise that increases your heart rate, like running or cycling.
Next word? Treadmill.
A treadmill is a machine used for walking or running indoors.
Another useful word is stretch.
To stretch means to warm up your muscles before exercise.
And finally, workout.
A workout is an exercise session.
Download the vocabulary PDF in the description for extra practice.
It includes all the key words and examples from today's episode.
Practice simple gym phrases like, "I'm training legs today." "I'm doing cardio."
And try recording yourself to improve your pronunciation and confidence.
What exercise do you enjoy the most?
Share your answer in the comments.
And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to AZE English.
See you in the next episode.